We have a special guest from way over one part. A whole heap of plane they take for reach there.
Whole heap of plane.
Whole heap of plane. What big continent that they say we come from?
People.
Great, nothing.
Listen me. We are Jamaican and one thing we do. We set trend. It's when they say Busta Rhyme. Give Busta Rhyme a round of applause to the people. Give Busta Rhyme a round of applause to the people. And eat jet. Split and big up yourself. When you see the African giant here, I swear to God. I swear to God. I swear to God. Listen me. Listen me. When I say Shatta, you say Wale. Shatta.
Wale. Yeah. Yo, Jamaica. Yeah.
African people.
Yo, be over this papa. Get ready for your pocket. Shatta stand strong.
And I say legend like a FIFA player, Diego Maradona.
Like Messi when he win the Balladona.
Me that speak Spanish, but me have a Spanish girl named Bona. See how the thing gets sick, and the doctor even can't find me folder. This time I'm gonna make it, but the blessing still a show. In a dancehall, man, a shareholder. Run every rhythm like man, a bipolar. Straight to the moon like a rocket. Can't set it up, if I was set it at the socket. I just say, Shatta secure the wallet. Never pop bully, cause the lyrics are the tablet. See aim on the pussy, them I mean I miss target. Tell the hate of them, we are the money that they
Oh my God.
Shatta Wale.
Nothing. Respect. World boss, respect to you. Let's go. Yo, big up everybody. I'm coming all the way from Africa just to support this man. This man is an angel in Africa.
Yeah.
Vybz, in flesh, in soul. Love you so much, Daddy. Yeah, love alone, brother. Yeah. Before I leave here, I just want to tell you that we Africans love Jamaicans and we support Jamaican music. So anywhere you're there, no say Ghana support Jamaica. So we are one family. From the north say you want to win next year. Let me hear you say pam, 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 pam. Yeah. DJ. Your light us not here. From the north say you believe in God. Everybody. Listen. 10 million lashes, but I don't cry. 10 years bury, but I don't die. Take what's rightfully mine. Take what's rightfully mine. But at the side, you don't know me, you for Google. I say this head bigger than your Dugu. Stop on academy, we like to shoot too. One bullet I say challenge to make you poo-poo. On a bicycle, so take your trailer. And I'll be famous like Mali and the Whalers. I know they kiss us, fuck all the favors. Nobody bigger than God, Jehovah. Hey, you not gonna show me nothing. Bring us, I go bring my tortoise. On God, me I promise. You go be there, you are the day. If you don't know, you for us, stop rushing. This thing, the scene is brushing. On God, me I promise. Pull up! Daddy, I just want to say thank you so much. I've never performed in Jamaica before. Yes, this is my first time, and I'm always wishing to perform with you on stage. Yes. God bless you. Jamaica, I love you. One love. People, believe me, the culture big. The culture where we have it so big and it's so loved by people all over the world. It's amazing. I remember Shatta Wale that time I king of African dancehall. And watch ya. Where him get him inspiration from? Jamaica, right here, son. Tell you. And you know, we never saw bad man we run the world because we're corrupt, you know. But we're talented. And we're powerful as a people. You say? Speaking of, you say?
Zakini Luma, we'll find it.
All
No
right.
loss. We'll find the lies. You